Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make Microsoft Edge faster. So first thing you have to try, click on start, then type inet cpl.cpl, open this one. Now here click on connections, LAN settings, uncheck this automatically detect settings, then click on OK, again click on OK. Second method, open Microsoft Edge. Now here click on these three dots, settings, now search here secure DNS. Now here search secure DNS. So here you will see the setting, use secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. So turn off this one. You have to turn off these settings. Third method, search here Startup Boost. This one. So turn on Startup Boost. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the possible way guys to make Microsoft Edge faster. Thanks for watching.